As you can see here, this is a 3-ton per hour wood pellet production line. The line was built in our warehouse. We use it to test different raw materials for our clients from different areas to ensure the most suitable purity of the ring die and to ensure that the machine can run stable in our client case. Also, in winter, we will use this line to produce pellets for our own boilers to provide heat for us. I think you can't wait now to know that what equipment included in the production line and what's the function of each equipment. Okay, let me introduce you one by one. This production line includes 3 parts. The first part is the pelleting section, as you can see here. And the second part is the cooling section. The third part is the packing section. This is the packing section. Okay, now let's go back and let's start it one by one. First is the pelleting section. Here we go. The belt conveyor will send the sawdust to the buffer silo. The top, the buffer silo. The silo also called circular silo. Its volume is 6 cubic meter. Its diameter is 2 meter. Its height is 2.9 meter. It can store the sawdust 1.5 tons. Can support this production line for half hour running. And then the frequency feeder will feed the sawdust to the pellet machine. The feeder with frequency convert. Its speed is adjustable. Then sawdust go to the two-set pellet machine. I think now you may have a doubt. Why is this two-set machine different? Let me explain you. Let's see that this is a 5th generation pellet machine. 5th generation. You can see the whole set machine. It was reduced by the reducer. Inside it is the reducer. And its motor is horizontal. Its motor is horizontal. Okay, we look at this one. This is the 6th generation pellet machine. This box is the whole gearbox. The whole gearbox, big gears in it. And the motor parallel to the main shaft will reduce the energy loss in the transmission process. Motor parallel to the main shaft. Okay, let's go back to the pelleting room. Material vertical feeding to the pellet machine. Strong centrifugal force will distribute the material evenly in the pelleting room. And then the down plate ring die static and rotate. Then the down plate will discharge pellets from the outlet. We pay more attention on this new pellet machine. This machine model is 5GKG 560B. 560B. Its main motor is 90 kilowatt. Main motor is 90 kilowatt. The down plate motor is 1.5 kilowatt. And the automatic lubrication pump is 0.37 kilowatt. The fan blower pump is 1.5 kilowatt. And the gearbox motor power is 0.55 kilowatt. Have 5 motors on it. The down plate will discharge the pellets to the outlet, and there will have cutter on it. The cutter function is to cut pellets length. For standard pellet length is 2 to 3 centimeter. For convenient storage and transportation, 2 to 3 centimeter. Also, the cutter on it is adjustable. We can adjust it to control the pellet's length. And then the automatic lubrication pump. It will add grease to the pelleting chamber roller bearing automatically. Its volume is 8 liter. The grease in it is resistant to 280 degree. The fan blower will absorb hot air and dust from pelleting room and main shaft. Then discharge from cyclone, and the 3-bag dust collector will collect the dust while pelleting. This dust can be recycled used for pelleting. This one is a gearbox oil pump. We see it. It's a recycle lubricating system. Here we go. We see the system. One pipe go to the coupling. The coupling connects the motor and the gear. And one pipe go to the main shaft to lubricate the bearing in it. Another pipe go to the gearbox for lubricating the gears in it. It's a shower lubricating type. Okay, let's go back to the pelleting room. We see the ring die. Inside the ring die. The ring die, also called double layer ring die. Its material is stainless steel, follow 13. And you can see for this model pellet machine, it have 2 layers, and each layer is 6 rods. Now in the pellet machine, the ring die is suited for poplar wood. Its diameter is 8 mm. As I said just now, we design different ring die temperature ratio for clients. So now we have many different ring dies for our clients for different raw materials, as you can see. General for Asia standard, pellet diameter is 8 mm. And for Europe and American standard, pellet diameter is 6 mm. We all can make, we all can supply. So if you have any interest or if you want to know more about the pellet production, feel free to contact us. We will provide you the most professional advice. Okay, here we go. After pelleting, the belt conveyor will set pellets to the cooling section. We designed this belt conveyor with forward and backward function. Let me explain. Because while the pellet machine stops, we will add the oil material into it. Prevent the ring die, hot expansion, and cold shrinkage. So the oil material will stay in the ring die, and while the pellet machine restarts, it will discharge. In order not to mix the good pellets and oil material together, so we designed this function. The oil material will go this direction, the backward direction, and the good pellets will go the forward direction. Okay, let's go to next section, the cooling section. Here we go. After pelleting, the pellet's temperature at about 60 to 90 degree. It needs cooling to room temperature for easy storage and convenient. The belt conveyor will send the pellets to the pellet cooler. As we can see, The belt conveyor have a big angle, so it has another name, big angle conveyor. It saves space, and also it have buffers. It have buffers on it, so to prevent pellets blocking. The big angle belt conveyor send with pellets to the pellet cooler. This is the pellet cooler. It's a counterflow cooler. We can see it's equipped with the fan blower and the cyclone act. The pipe connected on the top side. Its working principle is the fan blower absorb wind from the below part. Then the wind across the cooling room, get in touch with the hot wood pellets. Then the fan blower will bring the hot air out, and then the pellets be cooled. These vibrating motors vibrate. Pellets discharge to the pellet screener. The screener will discharge the fines here and the good pellets by the belt conveyor to the packing section. Now let's go to the third section, packing section. The bucket elevator will send pellets to the pellet silo. The silo is 1 cubic meter. It can store the pellets at about 600 kilogram. This is a kilogram packing machine. Here's the system of the packing machine. It's an automatic system. For this packing machine, we can pack the pellets into bags about 20 kilogram per bag, 15 kilogram per bag, 30 kilogram per bag. Choose according to your market need. And then here just need variable here. It's a half automatic packing machine. For this is the sieving machine. After the pellets in bags, then packed here for the sieving machine. Of course, if you don't want the sieving machine, it's okay. We also can provide the heat sealing machine. This is one kind packing method. We also can supply others also. So for example, town packing and also the container packing. Just load pellets into containers. All is okay. So just tell us your ideas and we will design for you. The production line introduction is finished. Now let's conclude it. The whole production line includes 3 sections. Its raw material is wood sawdust. Moisture content 12 to 15%. The total production line, total power at about 200 kilowatt. Need transformer at least 350 kVA. Total production line need labor about 3. 1 for feed materials to the pellet machine, 1 for pellet machine cabinet, and the third for the packing machine for packing. Total need about 3 labors. I think you may have a doubt that if my raw material not the sawdust, then how should I do? Don't worry. We will design the production line according to your raw material condition, capacity required, other details. We will discuss ideas and our professional suggestions. Don't worry, we will help you. We are looking forward to provide the professional solution for you. So looking forward to our next meeting. Bye.